Expressions when going out.
Mamalengke ako.
I will go to the market.
Bumili ka kahit anong gusto mo.
Buy anything you want.
Pwede bang umupo?
May I take a seat?
Tara maglakad-lakad tayo.
Let's take a walk.
Sigurado ako magugustuhan mo rito.
I'm sure you'll like it here.
Nakarating ka na ba rito?
Have you been here before?
Masarap ang pagkain dito.
The food is great here.
Binili ko iyan.
I bought it.
Bibilhin ko iyan.
I will buy it.
Umuwi na tayo.
Let's go home.
Anong oras na ba?
What time is it?
Baka umulan.
It might rain.
Ikaw na ang magmaneho.
You drive.
Marunong ka bang magmaneho?
Do you know how to drive?
Saan tayo pupunta?
Where are we going?
Kakain tayo sa labas.
We're going to eat out.
Magdala ka ng payong.
Bring an umbrella.
Ako ang magmaneho.
I am going to drive.
May kasama ka ba?
Are you with someone?
Magpapalit lang ako ng damit.
I'll just change my clothes.
Naligo ka na ba?
Have you taken a bath?
Maligo ka muna.
You take a bath first.
May sasakyan ka ba?
Do you have a car?
Saan tayo sasakay?
Where are we going to ride?
Siguraduhin mong may pera ka.
Make sure you have money.
Isama mo ang mga kaibigan mo.
Bring your friends.
Pupunta tayo sa zoo.
We're going to the zoo.